Hi and welcome to another video of Made by Siem. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to create this super easy but I think beautiful asymmetrical shawl. I made mine with a Scheepjes Swirl, but I'm going to tell you all about the materials in the next clip. But you can easily use another yarn. There are a lot of beautiful yarns available all over the world. Scheepjes is a Dutch brand and I'm from the Netherlands. So my English is far from perfect, but I'm trying to do my very best to make videos for you guys all over the world as well. So hopefully you will appreciate that. Now, if you like the video, please do not forget to give me that thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there are a lot of different kind of videos on my YouTube channel. Mainly Dutch, but there are a lot of English videos as well. Now, there is an option that is called super thanks. If you like, you don't have to, but if you like this video, you can give me a super thanks. That would be really helpful, but please note that you don't have to if you're not able to. Just a like, a comment, that will help me out as well. So yeah, I think that's about it. In the next clip, I'm going to tell you all about the materials I'm going to use, and after that one, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful shawl. Now, there is one thing I'm not quite sure, but I think, if I remember correctly, because it's been a couple of weeks ago ever since I filmed this shawl, I think my fan is on, and I hope that it's not too much of an annoying disturbance. Do I say that correctly? Yeah, if it is, I'm so sorry. Hopefully it is doable to watch the video. Anyway, enjoy watching the video. These are the materials I'm going to use to create this beautiful, very easy shawl. The yarn, I'm using the Scheepjes, which is a Dutch brand, Scheepjes Whirl. This is an ombre wool. It starts in the middle, in the center here with a dark color, towards the side here, and this is in the same shade, the lighter color. Now this is a 15 to 225 grams. This cane has, or the cake has, 1,000 meters. I'm gonna put the yardage right across the screen there. You're supposed to crochet this with a 3.5 to 4 millimeter crochet hook, and it's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic yarn. The color way I'm using is 556 Mediterranean Moha. I'm going to show it here. Right? So this is what I'm going to use. I want to use a yarn that has a drape to it, and that's what this yarn absolutely does. If you want to use another brand, if you want to use something else, it's fine, just use it. Like I said, on the label, it's a 3.5 to 4 millimeters crochet hook. Now, I wanted to have a beautiful drape, so therefore I'm going to use a 4 millimeter crochet hook. I've noticed when I crochet this with a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, it is a little bit, it doesn't have the drape that I wanted to go for. So that's why I'm using the 4 millimeter crochet hook. Then a centimeter, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. This is my Mute thing to keep my needles in. So I'm using a yarn needle as well. And a friend of mine, she has a beautiful shop where she sells these. Now it is a Dutch shop. I'm not sure if she does send abroad. It's magnetic. It's beautiful for this shawl. So if you're interested, I'm going to put the link down below into the description box. But to be honest, I don't know if she does ship abroad. Alright, so yeah, see you guys in the next clip. I'm filming this with another yarn, basically because I already have my shawl, so I'm gonna make a little swatch because that should be enough for you guys, so I can show you how to create the shawl. I'm starting off with a magic ring. Yarn like that over your hand, hold it down with your finger or your thumb, then straight back down on the back side of your hand, make a cross in the front, and straight back down on the back side of your hand. So here you have the cross, and on the other side it looks like this. This is the part we're going to use. Now if you decide to, I should have told you that before, if you decide to do a tassel and you're using the Scheepjes Whirl, you should make a tassel before you're doing this. Now I do have a lot of other videos of shawls where I show you how to do the tassel. I'm gonna put the watermelon cocktail shawl at the very end of this video. So if you want to do a tassel right now because you're using this yarn or another variegated yarn or another ombre yarn like this, then it would be wise to do the tassel first. You find it at the very end of the video, okay? Now, then start off with a magic ring like that. Grab your hook with the hook facing down, go underneath the first turn of yarn, grab the second one with the hook, pull it like that underneath the first one, then turn so you have a little loop on the hook, then go to the first strand of yarn you see right there and pull this one through the loop on your hook. Now pull a little on the yarn tail so your magic ring is a little bit smaller. Well, as you can see, I do have now a really long tail. It doesn't matter for me. You could match this with a tassel, but as I'm not doing the tassel and this for me is just a swatch that I'm gonna frock later on, so I'm gonna leave it as it is, right? So you closed off your magic ring with a chain 1. I need a chain of 3, so I'm going to add 2 more chains to it. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. So 1, 2, 3 chains. Now I need another 2 because the yarn 3 is my first double crochet. I need 2 more double crochet into the ring. Yarn over, insert a hook in the ring, grab your yarn, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That's a double crochet. Yarn over. Oh, and I'm using US terms only. I love the UK, but I cannot work with the UK terms for crochet. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm using the US terms. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now I have 3 double crochet, because counting the first chain 3 as a double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, another 3 double crochet into the same loop. 1, 2, and 3. Now pull a little on your tail end. If you're doing a tassel, don't close it all the way. Chain 3. The chain 3 doesn't count as anything, it's just for a nice border. Right? Turn your work. It is wise to turn your work every time you turn your work, to turn it the same way. It's just more pretty. It's just prettier. Yarn over. Work 1 double crochet in each of the first 3 double crochets. Here's your first one. 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in the next. Be sure that you have 2 loops of the previous row, the stitch that you have 2 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 2, and number 3. Now here you have the chain 3 space. In the chain 3 space, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, and 3 more double crochet into the same space. 2, 3. Chain 1, turn your work. Now here are the last 3 stitches of the previous row. This is the first one. We're going to skip that one. This is the second one. Insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull through. This is called a slip stitch. Go to the next stitch, insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull through. Now go into the chain 3 space, grab your yarn and pull through. Again, we are in the chain 3 space. Chain 3. The chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Then add 2 more double crochet to the chain 3 space. 1, 2. So now you have 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2. Sorry guys, my alarm goes off. 3. Now, have a look at your work. Here are the next 3 double crochets. Skip the first one and work 3 double crochet into the center stitch of the 3. So, or in the second stitch. So of the 3, you go to the middle one, the center, the second one, and crochet 3 double crochet into it. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next one. So of these 3, 1, 2, 3 here, skip the next one. Go to the next 3. This one is the chain 3, and we said the chain 3 on this side. If you turn it, it's on that side. Doesn't count as anything. So here you have the 3, the last 3 of the row. Work 1 double crochet in each of the last 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And I know you see 4, but that's a chain 3, so we're not working into that one. This is how your work looks like after 3 rows. Okay, next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Work 3 double crochet in, well, work 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, or the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then go to the next 3 double crochet. Work 3 double crochet into the second stitch, or in the center stitch, or the middle stitch. 1, so you're skipping 1, and then the next one 3 double crochet. Skip the next stitch and go to the next 3 double crochet. Work 1, skip the first one, work 3 double crochets into the next stitch, the center stitch, the middle stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then skip the third stitch, the last one. Then here is the chain 3 space. Into the chain 3 space, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. After 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is what it looks like. To be honest, this yarn is slightly thicker than the other yarns, so basically I should use a 4.5mm crochet hook for this one. This is the Scheepjes Katona. It's just a swatch that I'm making right now, because this one, the original one, is far more lacy, as you can see. See? It's so lacy. It's so... the drape is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just showing you guys how the stitch has been done, but the original one is so much more beautiful. It's so, yeah, I love the drape on that one. Alright, next row, chain 1, turn your work, skip the first one and slip stitch in the next, slip stitch in the next, and slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Starting off this row with a chain 3, which count as a double crochet. Then add 2 more double crochet to the chain space. Create another chain space, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets into the same chain space. 2, 3. Next 3 stitches. Skip the first one, into the second one, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Go to the next 3 stitches, to the second one, 3 double crochet, go to the next 3 double crochet into the second stitch, and then the last 3 stitches. I know you see 4 stitches, but like I said before, the chain 3 doesn't count as a stitch. It's just for the nice border. So 1 double crochet in each of the last 3 stitches. And to be honest, there's nothing, well, there is not a lot more to it. You just keep on repeating what you see. The repetition is of 2 rows. The shawl will get bigger and wider, and it will get more drape, and it will get more beautiful. So yeah, basically everything is the same. I'm going to show you one more time. Chain 3. Chain 3 doesn't count as anything. Go to the first 3 stitches, 1 double crochet in each of these 3 stitches, 2 and 3. Then go to the next 3 stitches and work into the second of the 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 into the second one, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Second one, 3 double crochet, next 3 double crochet into the second one, 2, 3. Next is the chain 3 space, and into the chain 3 space we have 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. I think this shawl is like super easy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Really, this is it. You just keep on going, just like I show you guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna count the rows that I did. Make the shawl as long as you want. If you have the same yarn, I think that I got the maximum out of it, but yeah, maybe it will be wise to weigh your yarn that you have, or weigh the shawl that you have left, and see if you can, if you weigh a row or 2 rows, how much yarn you needed. If you have less than what the weight was of the last 2 rows, then you will not be able to do another 2 rows, but then you will be ready for the border. I'm going to show you in the next clip what I did for the border. And I will have to tell you guys, it's easy. Okay, I'm going to tell you in the next clip how much rows I did, and then I'm going to show you the border. Enjoy. I did 91 rows. You should end on this side, so you should end on the side where you have this border, the 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the last 3 stitches. At least that's what I did. If you want to do it different, it's all up to you, because it's your shawl. Okay, it's just what I did. Now chain 1, turn your work, and work 1/2 a double crochet in each stitch across until you reach at the very end the chain 3 space. So insert your hook, grab your yarn, do that again, yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab your yarn over and pull through 3. This is what you do in all the stitches across. Why am I doing a half double crochet stitch? This shawl is an easy shawl, super easy. The half double crochet stitch does look beautiful on both sides, so I wanted to keep it easy. I wanted to do an easy shawl, and I wanted to do an easy border, and that's why I do the half double crochet stitch as a border. So keep on going until you are at the very end of the row, just before the chain 3 space. I see you guys at the very end of the row. Well, at almost the end of the row. Right, at the very end of the row, here is my chain 3 space. Now work 3 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, and 3 more double crochet into the same chain space. Now get your pair of scissors, clippers, or whatever. Let's do that again. Oh, that's why it's not working. My plastic is still in there, because it actually works really good. There you go. See? It really works. Chain 1 and pull through. Now if you're doing a tassel, leave it a little bit longer. Should have said that before, but hey, I'm only human. Weave it through, if you're doing the tassel, through the stitches, and make sure that you will end up right there so you can weave it into the tassel. And that's basically it. As you can see, it's super easy. Let me know what you've been watching in between. Did you watch something on Netflix, or your favorite show, or just let me know. I wonder what you did while you were crocheting. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yeah, that's about it. This is my shawl. It's finished. I love it. It was super easy. I watched my favorite show whilst doing it, and yeah, I think it turned out perfect. Now, if you loved watching this video, you're not a subscriber yet, please would you be so kind to become a subscriber. Do not forget to give me that thumbs up for the video, that will help me out as well. And if you think this video was just the bomb, it was just, you know, easy, you loved it, and you would like to give me some extra, remember, you don't have to, but it would be really helpful. You could give me a super thanks, which is a little financial support for creating the free crochet tutorials. Right, but please remember, you don't have to. It just helps me out a little. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in one of my other videos or in my next video. And if you are going to crochet this shawl, please do not forget to enjoy. Bye for now. Right, I just filmed my Dutch video. This shawl is like super simple. At least that's what I think. A lot of things happened. My daylight lamp, my daylight shade, how do you call it? Daylight lamp, I guess, stopped working. So I had to replace the light bulb of that one. My hubby-to-be helped me out there. So here is the yarn that I used in my Dutch video, and now my alarm goes off. There you go, because I actually need to do something else. But I decided that I wanted to film this video for you guys first. I'm gonna put this part of the video at the very end and the bloopers, because it doesn't make any sense at all if you haven't seen what happened. But I just wanted to tell you guys that a lot happened in between. I was filming the previous part and, well, the actual tutorial. Basically, there's another thing. The shawl that I'm filming right now, well, I'm doing a swatch because I have my shawl and I don't want to use another beautiful skein or cake again for the same shawl. I think it's about over a year ago that I made the shawl. So therefore I decided to do it now, because it already took way too long. Yeah, that's it. I think that's basically why I'm doing it right now. Yeah. Anyway, also this part goes to developers. Right then. Yeah, that's about it. I love making the video for you guys. I love crocheting this shawl whilst watching my favorite show. Let's do that again.